Yo, what's up? In this video, I'll walk you through Valley of Story and show you how you can use in a simple and practical way. Let's jump right in!
Now, before we get started, make sure to check out the guide first. It'll help you understand the flow and make everything easier to follow.
Manual installation guides are available, but Valley of Story is designed to remove complexity and optimize the entire setup process.